Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, brought to you today by biotechnology company Antisense Therapeutics, ASX code ANP. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now by the Managing Director of Antisense, Mark Diamond. Hi, Mark.
Hi, Matt.
Okay, Antisense is developing pharmaceuticals for rare diseases in large unmet markets through a specialist technology known as, surprisingly, Antisense. The company is seeking to commercialise its ATL-1102 drug that is not yet available for the treatment of Duchenne muscular dystrophy. And the market looks like it's been paying attention too, with Antisense's share price surging from less than 2 cents in 2018 to as high as 35 cents in recent intraday trading. Okay, firstly, Mark, what exactly is Duchenne muscular dystrophy and how many people are afflicted by it around the world?
So Duchenne's is a devastating muscle wasting disease that affects boys only. There's about 45,000 boys in the Northern Hemisphere that are afflicted by this disease. It's also a disease where there's a desperate need for better treatment.
Tell me about treatment. What's out there currently and how big is the market from a financial perspective?
So today, the only way of being able to treat the inflammation that is a key feature of this muscle wasting of these boys is a class of drugs called the corticosteroids. They're not very effective. They cause very severe side effects. The market for this indication, because of the desperate need for better therapies, is anticipated to grow as big as $10 billion by 2030.
Okay, so I noticed you recently received what you're calling a positive opinion from the Paediatric Committee of the European Medicines Agency. What exactly does that mean for the company from a practical point of view?
Yes, so simply put, it gives us the green light to be able to move forward with a study in Europe that we call a pivotal study. So this is a trial that, if we're successful, we'll be able to submit for trial approval. So effectively positions us as one study away from being able to access the second biggest pharmaceutical market in the world with our drug.
How do you know it works? What have you done already in terms of clinical trials? Throw some numbers at me.
Yes, so we ran a clinical trial at the Royal Children's Hospital in Melbourne, and we were able to show in boys that are more advanced with their Duchenne's, these are boys that have become non-ambulant, that we could improve their upper limb function and strength, because that's the key outcome that the regulatory authorities are looking at to be able to approve a drug for this disease. So it was very encouraging data. We were able to show the drug having an effect across multiple measures of muscle strength and function, and importantly, doing it better than the corticosteroid drugs.
Mark Diamond from Antisense Therapeutics, thanks for joining me on Bulls and Bears today. And remember, we're only here to give you information, not advice, which you should of course seek independently. I'm Matt Birney, and this is Bulls and Bears.
For more public company CEO interviews, go to the Money page on the 6PR, 2GB and 3AW websites and click the Public Companies tab.